to be 10-15 knots, but we're kind of pushing 20, but we're just going to stick our head out and have a look. Because we really need to start heading south. We were going to head to Tangalooma, but the wind direction's changed slightly, so we're going to tuck in around Bribie hopefully this afternoon. Sailing positions, animals. How you feeling, Captain?
Yeah, good. I'll have a bit of a look out the front. It is blowing pretty bad at Cape Moreton at the moment, so we're going to make the decision of going into Bribie instead. Hopefully the wind isn't as strong. Closer to the shore. As you can see, it's 21 knots at the moment off Cape Moreton, but it should be not as bad in close. Fingers crossed. So I was heading off Mooloolaba now. Yeah, it's quite windy. We're probably 17 knots. See another boat coming out with us. He's punching her out pretty fast. Just going near Point Cartwright now. Anybody knows Mooloolaba? Our hometown sort of thing, our home area. So we're going to head south down to Bribie. The wind's going to swing too far to the north. We were going to go to Tangalooma, but anyway, might do that on the way back. Morning guys, we've left Bribie this morning. We're heading to Peel Island. We had a nice gentle sail today, it's good. Got about 10 knots of wind, beam reach. We're just cruising. There's Brisbane River over there. There's Vegas. Probably hear the generator in the background. We've still got battery issues. Well, we're just not getting enough sunlight now with all the solar. I reckon Len knows beyond today. Len is doing tomorrow's passage work.
I'm just trying to work out our bearings, and he keeps walking on top of everything.
So we're going to be Peel Island, and then we start getting into some narrower channels further south from here, which we're not really familiar with at all. So a bit of homework. We'll get down there and try and, well actually today we want to get to Peel Island. So Mr. Kelpie here can have a swim. Hey Rust, swim? You like swimming. Big smoke, guys. Hey, a little bit busier than Tin Can.
Very.
We've had some pretty big boats cruise past us at full noise that I really don't care. Throwing a massive wake. So it's all part of the fun, I guess.
There's a lot of money around here.
A lot of money, big money. You know, we're sailing. We've got the Genoa up. We will be turning here very shortly around the marker. Starboard marker, so we'll probably lose a bit of wind. I'll have to roll that Genoa up and engine motor into the Goldie. Anyway, we'll SeaWorld. Oh yeah, SeaWorld. Probably can't see it on the camera. So we've got a air rescue going on over here.
jet skis.
Oh, it's fucking amazing.
Must be some jet ski safari or something.
Must be.
Yeah, it would be, look. Absolutely incredible busyness.
Where's the fish, Rust? Where's the fish? Hello, look. Look at the fish. There's some bigger ones there, isn't there? Look at them right there, Rust. Let's see if we can get them over there, Rusty. Ready? Where's the fish, Rusty? Look. Fishies everywhere. Yeah.
Like and subscribe to our channel. We're on Facebook and Instagram.